Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiber. So if you want a personal reading, you can contact her, Sagittarius. So let's start the reading for today with these cards for your general energies. We have Sun, Emperor, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So Sagittarius, you are someone in a good position today. You are really happy for the way things are going in your life. You are in a good place in your work. Maybe you're a team leader or the CEO, someone with a lot of authority, someone with a lot of person who is rooted in your ideals and beliefs, and you try to do things the right way. And you believe in yourself, believe in the way you handle your situation, handle things, maybe the way you act, the way you speak. So that may be true even in this relationship. You believe that you are the only one who is right each and every time, and you try to give this person you love certain ideas, suggestions, what needs to be done and what is the right thing to do. But maybe this person may feel that you are trying to dominate them and control them in some ways. This person may not like the way you are treating them. Maybe you are successful, maybe you are quite good and you are a person with a lot of authority in your work, maybe. But in this personal life, you should not show that authority and show your power or position in this love. So the way you are really stubborn and rigid on your ideas and beliefs, and you want this person also to listen to your ideas and beliefs, that is what is creating a lot of misunderstanding and troubles in this relationship. So this person does not want to be with you, or they do not want to listen to you. They want to do things against you. So they are trying to go against your views and suggestions. Maybe you are telling things, maybe because you are truly concerned, you love this person a lot, but this person may not understand your true love, and that may be the reason there are a lot of misunderstanding in this relationship. And maybe for some of you Sagittarius, your circumstance will change, because with the Sun card, this is a very positive card. So circumstances may change, it may turn around for some of you. And maybe for some of you, your stubbornness is going to be the reason for a separation or maybe a breakup. So for some of you, things are going to go well, but for some I see a breakup. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 5 of Cups in reverse, So with this card, maybe this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe this person who has moved away from you is coming back. A good news coming in this connection. So all that misunderstanding or all that troubles, whatever you faced, is going to change today. Just like I said, the Sun card is a very positive card maybe. So circumstances are changing in this connection for you. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Queen of Cups. So you are a very talented person, Sagittarius. You are a loving, caring person, talented. And today you are trying to do things the right way, working honestly and devotedly. And your honest work, honest efforts will never go wasted. So you are going to see success very soon in your career situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Sagittarius. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, Victory of Miriam. So with this card in your circumstances today, this is a very special card, guys. It comes with an amazing message. So every challenge or adventure you are facing in your life is here to just test you, and it is here to make you understand the truth what you are. So every bird needs space and an open sky to fly, and every tiger needs that hunger that is going to drive her to fulfill her being, live her nature. The same way, you need to realize your divine nature, your holy expression of that greatest love each and every one of us have. And life is providing us to make our needs be met. So that is the energy here with this card. And this card also brings you comfort and guidance in understanding that whatever we are going through, maybe circumstances may bring us happiness, certain circumstances may bring us struggle, a lot of sadness, but whatever is happening because of that divine energy each and every one of us have inside us. So we should not hesitate to trust it. We must embrace it fully, allow things to happen, let things to have its own way. And there is no need to resist any changes happening today. Live life with love and let our circumstances unfold with love. And you are going to succeed. That is also the energy here. All you need to do is just let that success unfold in your life and be part of this loving energy. And you may feel a part of you trying to avoid something painful. You no longer want yourself to go through all that failure and criticism, whatever happened. But you are becoming more optimistic each and every day. you are becoming stronger. You will have that realization deep down in your heart of hearts. And you will feel that sense of achievement. Let anything happen, and you will be stronger no matter what. That is your attitude today. When you have that balance in your heart, it just means that you are having that acceptance for your circumstances. That divine surrender is unfolding in your being. And when that happens, it just means that you are going to reach success in whatever you are thinking or planning. And it is all divine plan unfolding in your life. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have the Light Princess and Grounded. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to escape some kind of a negative situation. You are feeling really scared, or you are having a lot of inhibitions to face some emotions, and you just want to stay away from that circumstance and from that people who are creating that circumstance. But sometimes if you want to live authentically, you must take steps to connect with the people who are close to you. It is time for you to be really practical today. See the way you need to live your life, relate to the people who are close to you. That way you will be able to find that true soul connection. So maybe because of the hurt and pain, you just don't want anyone, you just want to stay aloof, you just want to stay alone, and you are considering yourself immune and invulnerable. But that is not reality, guys. So you need to be really grounded, be really practical, and you should not go for escapism and having dreams, just fantasizing about your future without taking steps practically is not going to take you anywhere. So that is the energy here. So it is time for you to give up all your fears, inhibitions, and relate to people, talk to people whom you love, and relate to people with whom you want to have a true connection. When you do that, you will be able to find that true soul mate for you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow.